At least I've got Jalali. Works hard, and he's strong. I've seen Jalali carry a full-grown donkey across a river. Bachman, my chief shepherd. He knows sheep. Of last year, his brother was killed by a wild boar, gored to death. He was defending my flock at the time. I sometimes think Bachman blames me for his brother's death. My mall is going to belong to old women and young children. As for the widow, Zainab, and her impudent daughter, Iran, I could often do without them. The girl is pretty at her age. My wife, Nessa. She's the one who stays with the mall. She lost all her children when they were young. Nessa's very good at keeping things in order. She makes the best yogurt in the mountains. My first wife doesn't like traveling on the migration. It doesn't suit the senior wife of a Kalantar, she says. My youngest wife says much the same. She's been to school. A taxi suits her better than a mule. They can take their children and go by road. It's the long way round. We'll meet them in the summer pastures. I have a house in the nearest village. They can stay there. But Nessa has to travel with me. She has to help. Mandani. He was once my chief shepherd. The sheep could talk with him, but age, I retired him. He's full of good advice. He took a young wife and fathered 5 more children. The eldest has gone to work in the oil fields, a way of life I don't approve. This younger boy is staying on as a goat herd. He's not old enough to do more. Then there's Golbahar, the eldest of Mendani's 3 young daughters. She's 8 years old, and the beauty of the family.
خیلی سخت خیلی هر چی بخوای بارسا
دارن تر مو هم کنه تمام خیسی بود حتما هم خیسی
خیلی ناجوره
حتما
بله پول هم نیست با هیچ پول هم نداره نه پول داره نه چی هیچ باید با محله رفت کمشب چیه کنیم هستن
جو کنیم و شعرها.
Now provisions. We'll be 4 weeks in the mountains, perhaps 6. If it rains on the way, could be longer. I'll plan for the worst. My mouths must not run short of food.